up, guys? The pie is a lie here. No, I'm joking.
Oh, get out of here,
I told you I was gonna do that. Okay, so this is a fun server. You guys should definitely play this because look at all this good shit.
I'm gay.
Oh wait, actually start streaming, please. Please do it.
No.
What does Shadow say?
Start streaming right now. Press start streaming right now.
Let me mute them. Okay, so this right here is
I have crippling depression.
they're like cosmic. And the pie is a lie plays on it. And he's good. He's not good. I'm actually better than him. But yeah, basically pretty much it. It's got the same exact spawn as Cosmic PvP. There is
I'm gay.
Great Swarp, and there's Koths. They have ruins, they have a boss arena, they have slash buy. Here are the ranks. And yeah, I have a ton of, I've got an elemental rank I'm gonna be given. I've got frosty. I got more ranks in my other Pvs. So just join the server and I'll give you all my rank ups. So yeah, our faction's name is Cartel. Faisali is co-owner. Vexel, that's me, owner. So yeah, pretty much it. Gonna be probably making a couple more videos on here in the next month. But yeah, go ahead and check this out. Sub to PewDiePie. Unsub to T-Series. Subscribe to Pie and then go to his Cake versus Pie and then tell them that you know what yeah, just like do that. Sub to Pie, 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 sub to Pie. Easy break. Bye.
Please, they gon' creep my house, that's just mean to me.